you see Fulani herdsmen killing Biafra land? Is it agitation that caused it? We that agitating that caused it? That's it. Like Panther. What is happening? What was happening in Lord Panther before LSOT entered? Tell them to go. The kidnappings in Lord Panther. Is it Biafrans are kidnapping it? The agitators are kidnapping it to be a president of Nigeria. Not we are not capable to be a president of Nigeria. And this should remind Peter Obi and co. Igbo politician,
Northern leader and then the vice president during a meeting has come out to conclude that the way the Igbos are their problem, of themselves. That the way they agitate, whenever they are holding any major event, you've seen like even in the last concluded May 30th Independence Biafra's Day, we saw what 5 army that were killed in Abia State, Aba. So they've come and said that the Igbos, with the way they are agitating, number one, they might not become president of Nigeria. They might never become the president of Nigeria. And secondly, the way they agitate very aggressively, and we've seen the way they've killed the northern people in Port Harcourt, in the east and even in the south side. That the way they kill people, it will not make them, get what they want instantly and the freedom they want, and they might not become president of Nigeria. That they should pipe down with their aggression, agitate for Biafra. Now other tribes, so the Ododuwa and the Arewa, they also agitate, but not as aggressive as the Biafrans.
I am Mr. Ekpa, the new Okokondem in this Republic of Biafra, led by nnamdikanu and his IPOB government of Biafra. Father Yahweh, I thank thee, I bless thee, I magnify your name for keeping nnamdikanu alive. I thank thee for securing someone Ekpa in Finland, and I thank you for using Finland people to accommodate him. I thank thee for all our fans all over the world. How we give them good health, joy and happiness, long life and prosperity. Father, be blessed, be magnified in Jesus' name. Even I thank you for the love you have granted to Shetima, the first president of Nigeria, to come out and speak what you have said. They are and other Arewa leaders. Father, be praised, be magnified in Jesus' name. Okay. That Biafran have right to agitate. That is not against Biafran agitation, but the way they agitating it is what they don't like. Which means they have agreed that the Biafra have rights to agitate for their independence, to agitate for them living in Nigeria. Biafran are right agitating for the evil be done unto them by Nigeria, which is part of the Nigeria. But the way we are doing is what is not good. We don't like. We cannot do it to his own likeness. That's number one. Number two, there's no way we will do it, it will please him. That's number two. But I want to remind him that what he said, that we cannot be a president of Nigeria in the way we are agitating, is lying. Even before we start agitating, have they allowed us to be the president? Only a man who tried to be a president or head of state of Nigeria, where do they put him? You don't see, under 6 months. They send him on timely grave. They say we cannot be we cannot be president of Nigeria because they are the ones don't want us to be a president of Nigeria. The West, Yoruba don't want us to be a president of Nigeria. Not we are not capable to be a president of Nigeria. And this should remind Peter Obi and co. Igbo politician, Igbo reps, Igbo national rulers, agitating every election. They come out. Chi-hoi. Effing by effing. What effing by is what is you. They will carry flag. They want to be Nigerian president. Have you heard the truth that you can never be Nigerian president? Even for the mouth of the vice president. Thank God they are hearing the truth now. And the Shetima, other words you speak or you have spoken is out of track, out of points. No facts, no evidence that Igbos are aggressive to you Northerners. Igbos are not aggressive to you Northerners. If we are aggressive to you Northerners, we cannot leave our place to come and develop your place for you. We cannot allow you to take our oil and gas to develop your place, develop Abuja. If you are aggressors people, we can pay you back what you did to us. 1966. Anarchy in the north. Kill the whole Igbos. Carry water to our place and kill us. We defend ourselves. Is it why we are aggressors? In rivers, you are saying they were killed in rivers. Can you bring facts? How many Northerners killed in the rivers since this dispensation? After Biafran and Nigerian war, can you bring Shetima, Vice President, can you bring evidence? How many Northerners you are killed in rivers? Eh? We are aggressors. You were there looking for Nigerian army, seeing them carrying their weapons in Biafran land, killing us. You are there since Buhari regime. They store Usodima from Ebubagu. Fulani enter into Ebubagu, carrying uniform in the name of Ebubagu, killing our people. And then you say we are aggressors. The way we are agitating. You want to agitate, to fold our hand and be exterminated out of the surface of the earth. That time we be pleased. Now we are trying to refine people in rivers that they are Igbos. Thank God you said the truth again in this area. That if people in rivers, call Calabari, call Ejo, call whatever in rivers, that they are Igbos, because you have said if rivers belong to Igbos, how we are clean the Northerners in rivers. But the people in rivers do not accept they are Igbo, they are Biafrans. Part of Ikwere, some of Ikwere, some Asitokobo and Scalabari, and some Ijos they have received. Said they are not Igbos, they are not Biafrans. Thank God, now we are proving to them, demanding them to them, whether they like it or not, they are Nyamri, they are Omibos, they are Biafrans. Let them rethink of themselves. The people you want to sojourn yourself, Nigeria you want to follow, Fulani you want to follow. I've told you now that please, you are not part of us indirectly now. Have you seen it? Then Shetima giving example of May, 30th May, the people that were killed in Aba. Who do we kill? Are they not on us? How many people there that die? If 3/4 of them, the one that killed them, Biafrans are the one that killed them. Unknown government killed them, not Biafran, not Biafran Liberation Army, not Biafran Resistance Force, not ESN, not Biafran League, not Biafran National Guide, not Biafran Black Marine killed them. What they say, unknown government. Unknown government can be anybody. Unknown government can be even Fulani. They can be even they follow Nigerian army. Unknown government can be anybody. Unknown government can be organized political talks of Eastern politicians. It can be to rubbish IPOB, autopilot. To rubbish the effort of LSOT in Abia State. After all those people have died there, how many Fulani are among them? How many Fulani? It's all of them, not indigenous people of Biafra. In the name, they died on behalf of Nigeria. Who killed them? Nobody knows. Unknown government. Then why do you refer it as if it's the Biafran agitators killed them? Any proof? Any evidence? And after that, how many people, Biafran indigenous, die because of it? Over 300 souls died because of that. Okay, the one that happened in Okoma, that the president give marching order, is it IPOB did it? Is it Biafran agitators did it? You are saying the way we are doing it. The way we are doing it. The way we are doing it. Anyway, I thank God Mr. Shetima, Alhaji Shetima, the Honorable Vice President of Nigeria, that he has come out now saying directly or indirectly that the Biafra have rights to do what? To agitate for their freedoms. But the way we are agitating it is not a good. Now, this is why you are judges that represent you, represent the federal government of Nigeria, judging nnamdikanu case, have come out and said, let us go into dialogue. And Shetima, Vice President of Nigeria, you can participate in this dialogue team on behalf of your nation, Nigeria. And the tell Biafrans, negotiate in the way Biafrans will do their agitation that will please you. All I know, whether it please you, not please you, Biafra must surely go. Biafra must surely go. And we are going, we are already gone in Jesus' name. Vice President of Nigeria, beloved Shetima, the killing, the way we agitate it, the killing in Biafra land. Don't you see Fulani herdsmen killing in Biafra land? Is it agitation that causes it? We that agitating that causes it? Don't see Lord Panther, what was happening in Lord Panther before LSOT entered, tell them to go. The kidnappings in Lord Panther, is it Biafrans are kidnapping it? The agitators are kidnapping it? Going to farmland, killing people. Is it Biafra agitators going to farmland in Enugu State, everyone killing people? You said the way we are killing Northerners. How many Northerners have we killed? Is it Biafra land, agitators of Biafra, carry cattle, cows to north, killing them there? The way we are agitating, we kill in Port Harcourt. How many souls have Biafra agitators killed in Port Harcourt? Is it not wicked? When he was governor of Rivers State, Nigerian governor Wike in Biafra land, is it not the one that killed IPOB? Is it the one that killed IPOB? Not are not agitating. South West agitating. Not West agitating. Not agitating. The West agitate separation from Nigeria. What the West agitate is mandate of June 12th election, which you give to them. Even in that agitating for mandate of June 12th, the people not die. People died. Gideon Akanoka, killing of Gideon Akanoka. Is it Biafra agitations in the north? Deborah, killing of Deborah in Sokoto, and the destroying Biafra property in Sokoto. And Biafra agitators do that one. You said the way we agitate is so good. Boko Haram, is it Biafra agitate those ones? Ashwab, even your own set you come from, recruiting people. Is it Biafra recruiting those people there? The way we are agitating. Shetima, I need an answer. All Biafra need an answer to this question I asked. Killing in Benue, is it Biafra agitators cause it? A Nigerian army going to farmland in Enugu, killing, cutting farm crops in Enugu. Is it Biafra agitation cause it? Operation Proton Dance, is it Biafran that are killing the fellow Biafrans? Red Bridge, is it Biafra agitators are killing the fellow Biafrans? Mpo, is it Biafra agitators are killing the fellow Biafrans? Sikesiaba, is it Biafra agitators are killing the fellow Biafrans? My dear Shetima, can you come out and tell us how Biafra is the cause, Biafra agitators is the cause of kidnapping, both in Biafra and other parts of Nigeria? Because Biafra agitators. Or is it Biafra agitators put Nigerian economy into war? Is it Biafra agitators destroy Nigerian economy? In what way we are the cause of our problem? Yes, we are the cause of our problem because Biafran Nigerian politicians are betraying Biafran cause. In that way, you are right. Honest and igbo, betraying Biafran restoration. That one, you are right. That in that way, we are problem to ourselves. Biafrans betrayed nnamdikanu. DOS betrayed nnamdikanu. Yes, in that area, you are right. We are the cause of the problem of Biafra not to be restored in that way. For that way, you are right. But telling me in any other way, Mr. President, I think, Mr. Vice President, I think you do rethink and come out and tell the world the truth concerning Biafran agitators. Don't give dog bad name so that I can be able to kill the dog. But thank God, you have realized that we have right to agitate. But we do not agitate it the way it will please you. Maybe after we go, we can come back and agitate the way it will please you. Or when you like to leave Nigeria to be on your own Arewa Republic, you agitate and show us the way we're supposed to do it. I think that will be the best. You agitate with your people to leave Nigeria and show us the way we have to do it. When you agitate, the time you agitate in 1966, Hiroshi regime, Araba, Bamuso, Araba. Do Hiroshi order army to kill you people? Did Hiroshi, Madebo, and others come to negotiate with you people? Or the process of negotiating, you plug their own crew and kill Hiroshi? And nobody killed you that time, oh. Nobody killed you that time. Nobody killed Northern at that time.